Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name's Tenysiah for anybody that's new to my channel or just doesn't know how the hell to pronounce my name. I'm gonna be creating a kind of sultry but bold makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I do this, just keep watching the video. So the palette that I'm gonna use today is this palette here. Of course, there's like 120 shades, so duh, of course we're like in this palette. There's options, okay? They gave us options. The one that I'm gonna be using is the one that has the black. What is this brush? Venti, and it's contour eyeshadow brush into this color here and this color. I tap into the two to kind of mix them. And bring that down very, very lightly. I don't want this to show up too much. Now I'm gonna go in with e.l.f. blending eye brush, this super bold red, and we are gonna get real intense. So let's start this eye. Okay, so for my lips, I'm keeping it simple. No, we're not keeping it simple. I'm using SULTRY lip liner, and what color is this? Scarlet Flame. Just gonna lay my lips. I cannot talk. I have some castor oil, some jojoba oil, and look. I hope you guys like it. It is flawless and so bomb. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I think it's just ooh, dripping sex appeal, right? Like, y'all know, not even snack, this is a meal. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.